Welcome back to the Hustle Highway. Today, we're going to debunk one of the biggest lies in finance, the idea that you need a lot of money to start investing. Many people believe that you need a large sum of money to start investing in stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. This is simply not true. In fact, even small amounts of money can be invested effectively. One of the most powerful strategies for investing with small amounts is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's current price. This helps smooth out volatility and reduces the risk of buying high and selling low. Another great way to invest with small amounts is to buy fractional shares. This allows you to own a portion of a stock, even if you can't afford to buy a whole share. This opens up the world of investing to everyone, regardless of their budget. One of the biggest advantages of starting to invest early is the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small investments can become substantial over time. While investing is important, it's equally crucial to educate yourself about personal finance. Understanding basic financial concepts will help you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. So, remember, the biggest lie in finance is that you need a lot of money to start investing. With the right strategies and knowledge, you can start building wealth even with small amounts. Start today and watch your money grow.